welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be just another festive style vlog. Tonight's dinner we are going to be having Sainsburys Christmas pizza. Sainsburys, actually Christmas pizza seems to be a thing at the moment. I know Aldi are doing one now, I know M&S I think have done one. But Sainsburys I think were the OGs. I think they started this and we saw it on an advert a few weeks ago and we thought we've got to pick it up. So they've got a full Christmas dinner pizza which we're having for dinner tonight. But for now I'm just going to film a bit of the day because I can't make a pizza video last all day. But I'm making a chicken stock today and I thought, do you know what? I reckon other people will be interested in learning how to make a chicken stock. If you want to make your own kind of low salt chicken stock, it's very, very easy, cost effective. You know, if you buy roast chicken and eat roast chicken, you might as well make a chicken stock for the freezer for other meals. Yeah, it's just an easy thing to do, so I thought I would show you today. I've also got some Christmas present wrapping to do. Like, we're at the stage of Christmas. Hey, are you having your din-dins? No. No? We're at the stage of Christmas holidays where I mean, Christmas holidays haven't really started, but I am done making an effort. Oh, the Amazon man's here. That's great, because that's a Christmas present I need to deliver tomorrow. But I'm done making an effort with anything. I'm just surviving. We're ill one moment after the other at the moment in this household. So, yeah, there's been a lot of like sick bug going around and colds and coughs and flus and temperatures and things like that. So yeah, so we're just like taking it really easy. After Christmas I'll go back into my, you know, actually making an effort and being professional type videos. But for now, you've got me like this. I'm sure everyone feels completely frazzled by this time of year. If you don't, I commend you. I just need a little TLC, but there's too much to do right now. So once Christmas is done, anyway, we're not even going to talk about after Christmas right now. We're talking about today. We are going to make a chicken stock. We're going to do some festive wrapping, and outside is insanely snowy, has been for a while now. So we're going to play in the garden for a little bit, and then we're going to try a festive pizza from Sainsburys. Exciting times. So you're going to need a chicken carcass. So basically if you've had a roast chicken the day before, this is great to make the next day. So I've got my chicken carcass there. I've taken like pretty much all of the meat off, but yeah, that's ready. I've got some old celery that just Is it really good for anything else now apart from making into a stock? Got some onions. We're going to put some onions in there. I've got carrot. I'm going to put a carrot in there. I've got a bouquet garni. Mixed herbs will do. And I've got some garlic. So essentially some old root veg from the fridge that is good for nothing else other than putting in a stock. Some chicken. And we're going to need lots of hot water and just some seasonings. So let me just prep all this and get it in the pot now. I'm going to have to just get down on my knees. Okay, so chopped carrot, chopped onion, chop up the carcass if it needs to fit into somewhere. By the way, this would work very well in a slow cooker. So if you have a slow cooker, I'd suggest you do the slow cooker version. My slow cooker is currently broken, so until I've got that replaced, I can't do it. So I'm doing it in a pot. So essentially going to put the chopped up vegetables in here, the herbs, the carcass, cover it with water, and boil for about half an hour, and then just simmer for like the next 3 hours basically. And then we're going to strain it and let it cool down and freeze it. So I have got some lemon going in there. Lemon was in the chicken. So I just realised we're talking to a carcass. I have got some lemon in the carcass as well. That was from our chicken dinner yesterday. Sorry if this is grossing you out. You can fast forward to the Sainsburys thing. But yeah, let's finish up. Told you it's been so snowy for the last week. This is actually the least amount of snow still on the ground all week. We have had insane amounts of snow all week, and because it's not gone above like -2 in temperature. Oh, you're drawing! Because it's not gone above -2 in temperature, it really has stuck around, and I'm here for it. I am a snow person. I know some people aren't, but I so am. I'm like, all day, every day, I love the snow. I mean, I don't want it all day, every day, literally, but I could have it last for like the next month and be happy. I just love it. I absolutely love the noise. I love the silence in the air. I love playing with it. I love how it looks on the trees. Like, seriously, that hedge is normally not so attractive, but with snow, it's 10 out of 10 in my opinion. So yeah, I know, and Oren's been loving it. He's been absolutely loving it. It's just the best. Has it been snowing heavily where you are? I know some places just haven't had the snow, which is strange to think that we've had snow all week, and some places just didn't get any. So I'd love to know where you are and if it snowed. But yeah, I'm happy about this.
Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, that means you want Mummy to bring you in. He does very well. He's done very well in the snow, but I can imagine it being freezing. Yes, we're looking at the birds at the moment. Did you see a bird flying? Flying, yes. We've got some robins in our garden and they're so tame. They're so friendly towards us. It's incredible. They know when we're out and put food down, and then they're like watching us right now, tweeting, aren't they? And they're waiting for the coast to be clear so they can go and eat their food. Yeah, there's Mummy and Dorin. I've just been to Sainsburys and got the Christmas dinner pizza. Excuse my appearance, I'm actually in PJs now. We went swimming, hence the hair. And then went to Sainsburys, and finally they had the pizza, because I did try to get this in another Sainsburys and they told me they didn't have any of the ingredients available. So this Sainsburys had it this evening, so we got the Christmas dinner pizza. Which is so exciting. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me show you. So we have, it's a deep pan pizza. You can get it deep pan or thin crust. I went deep pan. Stone baked deep pan pizza. Pizza topped and prepared for you. So the Christmas dinner one, tomato sauce, mozzarella, chicken, so it's not turkey, stuffing, bacon and cranberry sauce. I'm just not sure how I'm going to feel about this one. All we can do is give it a go and see what we think. So I say let's put it in the oven. This doesn't give instructions, does it, actually? I remember we got the pizza from Sainsburys before. Oh, for use by date, see back of pizza. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's cook it. I assume we're going to put the cranberry sauce on at the end. I'm kind of excited, kind of dreading it. Okay, the pizza is ready. I'm so not sure about it. The stuffing is putting me off.
Yeah, the stuffing looks like, you know, like kind of, if you could imagine like the ground meat that you sometimes get on pizza, it's delicious. It's like if you had that and like let it just sit out for days and days. That's what it looks like. It looks all dry and a bit crusty and a bit manky. But it's not, it's just stuffing. But it's just like
the mental.
Yeah.
It smells so bizarre, especially now the cranberry sauce has gone on there.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to make of it. Like,
it smells like Christmas pudding. It does.
Christmas pudding.
Christmas pudding.
Christmas dinner.
Christmas dinner.
It does. It's got that like Sunday roast smell.
Yeah.
But with a bit of weirdness. I'm not looking forward to it. I wish I was, but I'm actually not.
Oh, okay.
Normally I'm like, yeah, just love a weird
You've gone
pizza.
for a slice that's as far away from you as possible. Is there a reason that you're going for that slice?
Because it's got less bacon on it.
Oh, right. Something like you.
Oh my gosh. So, the cranberry sauce, they gave us 2 sachets. We only put 1 on because I feel like...
1 was enough.
You can have some of this, don't you worry. 1 was enough. But shall we go?
Yeah, let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That is so bizarre.
It's really weird. It is like eating pizza and Christmas dinner at the same time, which I suppose is exactly what you'd expect, but
Oh my gosh,
it's not
so
like
weird.
it's not like a Christmas dinner flavoured pizza. It is genuinely like having both of those things at the same time.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure that it works.
To me, it's like a Christmas sandwich you get from the shops, warmed up.
Yeah.
Doesn't it taste like that? I'm not hating it. But then again, I haven't eaten since this morning, so... The cranberry sauce is a no-no. When you get a bit...
I'm like getting accustomed to it.
Okay.
I don't know if I'd be running to order it again. There are some things, some of these Christmas foods that we've tried and we're like, why don't they do this all year round? This is not one of them. I'm glad we tried it.
Yeah, I think it's like, once you know it exists, you just can't not. Can't not.
It's a novelty. It's a bit fun. And you know what? If you had a party and you were serving some regular pizzas and some other bits and bobs along with this, great, perfect. It would be fun. Everyone would have a slice. It would be a talking point. But I would not have this as the cornerstone of a meal because there is a genuine risk that you may not enjoy it.
Oh yeah, don't get it thinking this is our dinner tonight with nothing else in and this is it, because yeah, don't do that. But you know, if you're with your friends, you're having a pizza night, I think it'll be a funny one to have. Again, Christmas is all about having talking points. I feel like food is such a big part of Christmas.
Oh yeah.
And it's about having that talking point. And this is definitely a talking point. Whether we could dip it into garlic sauce and it tastes good, I don't think so.
No, it's kind of like you kind of expect it to be served with a gravy.
Yes, gravy dunk. You're right.
I think you sound a lot more enthusiastic about that than I do.
What do you think of that pizza? Someone's going,
You like the sound of it? Yeah? No.
No, okay.